Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix ICICI Bank application crashing on your Android device. If your ICICI mobile banking application is crashing, then there might be several reasons why that is happening. So let's go ahead and dive into the steps one by one on how you can get out of the situation. The first step you can take is to close off the ICICI Bank application completely from your device. If you are running on your ICICI mobile banking application and you are not being able to use it smooth, then the first thing to do is to close off your application. Tap on the little app switcher button in 3 lines at the bottom left corner, and this will then bring up this app switcher. Simply swipe up the application upwards in order to close off any application running on the background. Once you completely close off the application, the next thing you want to do is to restart your device. Simply go ahead and press and hold the power switch and restart your Android device. After restarting your device, this will clear out temporary files and processes that might be causing conflict in the app. The next thing to do is to go ahead and look for any unnecessary application from your app drawer and hold the application for quite some time and tap on uninstall. Delete any other application you no longer use on your Android device, and once you delete the application entirely from your device, you will then be able to clear out some storage space. Sometimes, because of low storage space, you might walk through the application's crashing problem, so make sure you don't overcrowd your Android device with unnecessary applications. After you've cleared out any unwanted app, you can now get back to the ICICI banking application and allow necessary permissions for the app when prompted. After you launch open the application, see if it fixes your issue or not. If the problem still persists, you can also check for available update for your application. Launch open the Google Play Store app and then go to the search box, type in ICICI mobile banking app in the search box and look for this application. If you see an update button popping up on the screen, immediately hit on update, which will then start downloading the latest version of the app on your Android phone. Once you have the latest version installed, you might be able to fix your temporary crashing and glitching problem for your ICICI Bank application using Android. So those were some of the fixes you could consider trying if you're going through the ICICI Bank application crashing problem on your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.